how to find deactivation settings on Facebook Lite. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook Lite and now click this three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just click this one, settings, and now click this one here, personal and account information, and then click account ownership and control and click deactivation. And as you see here, you can find it, deactivate account, and if you want to deactivate it just click continue and then type your password here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.